Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log out of your Microsoft account on a Windows 11 laptop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer has completely loaded up before you begin. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, you're all set to start the logout process. Now, direct your attention to your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll want to locate the Windows Start menu, which is typically positioned on the left side or center of your taskbar depending on your settings. Go ahead and click on the Start menu icon to open it. This will bring up your main Windows menu where you can access various system features and settings. Once the Start menu opens, take a look at the bottom left corner of the menu. You'll notice 5 different icons lined up there. Among these icons, you need to find your profile icon, which represents your Microsoft account. This icon usually displays your account picture or initial, making it easy to identify. Click on this profile icon to proceed. After clicking on your profile icon, a small menu will slide out from the top, displaying additional account-related options. This menu gives you quick access to various account actions you can perform. From this menu, you'll see the Sign Out option clearly listed. Simply click on Sign Out, and this will immediately log you out of your Microsoft account on your Windows 11 laptop. Your session will end, and you'll be returned to the login screen where you can either shut down your computer or sign in with a different account. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Microsoft account on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.